it's hard enough. Okay, so we picked this scene because this is where Holly Golightly or Lola Mae Barnes meet the dog Golightly, her husband. It's a kind of a plot change. What happened, you ask? We answer you right now in this teleprogram. This is right now. Okay, so this is Jonathan, my brother from another mother. And this is Emilia, my sister from my same mother. And we're here to tell you about the scene where Holly Golightly means dog Barnes.
No, we are hippies.
No, Holly doesn't mean dog.
No.
Oh,
No. We know Fred, her
Means
not
dog.
brother, the pretty man from the movie.
And he thinks that Doug is Holly's father.
Yeah, but he
But
isn't.
he's actually her husband.
Da, da, da,
You
da.
guys are falling for the camera. This is baddest video blog ever.
But you know, oh my God! I said, but you have to drink now.
Okay.
Okay. Well, yeah. So this is a plot twist in the movie, or in the book, because we find out that Holly is actually married and she has children, and Holly isn't really her real name.
Her children.
No, we don't know that yet.
Yeah.
In this scene, we don't know that that it isn't her children, but it isn't.
Okay.
You got a lot of that cocaine! But it just isn't. Oh no.
Yes.
So, plot twist. And we find out later that she ran away because she didn't want to live with Doug. She got married when she was 14 with him. And now he's come to find her, and then he ends up going home alone with her. And, I don't know, har du læst det, Fred?
Home Alone.
Nej, tak for det.
Spoiler
Spoiler.
alert.
I don't remember. Jeg blander hele tiden film på.
Have you read
No,
the
men
book?
yeah.
And
Also,
that's why we chose to
yeah.
see.
Because it's quite dramatic.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
there you go.
And quite funny too.
What do we fight for?
Justice. Hvad kæmper vi for?
Sejr.
Nå, sejr.
What do we fight for? Victory!